We stayed for 3 days and 2 nights here at Anya. The given room is in 806. It's just a short walk from the swimming pool and the restaurant. Bale sa second floor yung 806 and here's the view. For the price reveal, sa website, 10,600 siya. Pero nakuha namin siya ng mas mura around 9,000 plus. Ang tanong, sulit ba? Ito na yung room. Check nyo, o diba? There are 2 beds because this is junior suite twin. Pero may couch na parang bed na rin. The room is big for a family of 4. Complimentary din yung minibar. There's free coffee, beer, soda, chocolate, and trail nuts. And this is what I love most about the room, ang laki ng CR. Parang ang sarap tambayan. Unang gabi pa lang nag-bathtub na yung kids. There's also a balcony with a nice view. Ang sarap mag-coffee dito. Actually, super tahimik rin, kaya yung anak ko dito pa nakapag-online class. And considering na Tagaytay siya, syempre malamig. Pero heated pool sila, kaya super na-enjoy ng kids. Use my code to book!